Today I want to show you the tool of Khan Academy. Now you can go to any search browser and just Google Khan Academy and videos will come up. You can also go to YouTube and search Khan Academy videos. But there's also an app that I want to show you. And this app is great because there's videos on multiple different subjects, as you see here. One that I've really used a lot is the math section, watching videos, and it helps a lot. So as you can see, you can go by subjects, like math subjects. You got pre-algebra, algebra 1, algebra 2, geometry. So it goes by each part of math, but then you can also go into, so let's go into algebra as it loads. And so you can see like the different pieces of algebra. They have algebra foundation, solving equations, and then under each one of those they have like different units. So go back. So each one of these different subtitles has their own set of different videos. So you can click on the videos, and then after a few videos they have practice questions, so you can go through and practice some of them and see how you're doing and see if you're getting them. So it's a really great tool just to get help right away. Sometimes you can't go to the teacher after school. Sometimes the teacher isn't available. So this is a great way just to go online, and you can go on and find videos to help you. And they just work out a problem, work out whatever the subject is. And another great tool about this is you can search. So we were learning about integration by part in my calculus class, so I can literally just integration by part. So I can search that, and up comes the section of integration by part. So it's a great tool. And if you don't have the app, you can also just go onto YouTube and search whatever you want for that and just put Khan Academy with it. It has great tools.